I'm going to show you how to log in to Photoleap. So it is really easy, so let's get right into it. Just go ahead and open the browser of your choice, and once you're there, just go ahead and type in Photoleap right over here. And now you'd see the option of Photoleap right here. Just go ahead and tap here, and after you're there, you'd see multiple options over here. So you just need to tap on my account right over here. And once you do so, you would be led to this login page right over here. So if you have previously logged in with Google, you can also do that. But if you have logged in with Apple, you can choose this option. And you can also choose the option that says login with email. So let's say you want to log in with Google. After you tap here, you would have to select an account and tap on continue. And now in this way, you would successfully be able to log into your Photoleap account.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.